Hello everyone. Today I, Megha Mohan, Faculty of Management Department from Technical Institute of Advanced Studies is going to deliver a lecture on the topic Levy of GST. In India, there is wide socio-economic gap and it would not be feasible to levy the same rate of tax for necessary items like milk and luxury items like BMW cars. Therefore, it was critical to set different rates for different class of items. Levy of Central Goods and Service Tax, Section 9(1) under CGST Act, central tax called as Central GST shall be levied on all intrastate supplies of goods or service or both, except on the supply of alcoholic liquor for human consumption. There are 4 slabs fixed for GST rate, that is 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. There are certain items exempted under GST such as milk, eggs, curd, buttermilk, fresh vegetables and fruits, unbranded wheat and rice, unbranded flour and puja items. Following are the items falling under 5% slab such as frozen vegetables, fruits, branded wheat and rice, branded flour, handmade safety machines, cotton fabrics and footwears below Rs 500. There are certain items that fall under the rate of 12% slab such as butter, cheese, dry fruits, mobile phones and Ayurvedic products. Then comes the items that fall under the slab of 18% such as BD wrappers, leaves, biscuits, footwears exceeding Rs 500, man-made fiber, hair oil, soap, toothpaste. 28% slab rates such as BDs, LED, AC, cars, tobacco products, cement. Now, we will talk about tax payable on reverse charge basis. The government may, on the recommendation of the council by notification, specify categories of supply of goods or service or both, the tax on which shall be paid on the reverse charge basis by the recipient of such goods or service or both. Further, all the provision of this act shall apply to such recipient as if he is the person liable for paying the tax in relation to the supply of such goods or service or both. Tax payable on reverse charge if the supplies are made to a registered person by an unregistered person, then the central tax in respect of the supply of taxable goods or service or both by a supplier who is not registered to a registered person shall be paid by such person on reverse charge basis as the recipient, and all the provision of this act shall apply to such recipient as if he is the person liable for paying the tax in relation to the supply of such goods or services or both. Now let's talk about tax payable on intrastate supplies by electronic commerce operator or notified services. As per section 245 of CGST Act 2017, electronic commerce operator means any person who owns, operates or manages digital or electronic facility or platform for electronic commerce. Further, e-commerce means the supply of goods or services or both, including digital products over digital or electronic network. So I hope you understand today's topic of levy of GST. Thank you so much.